Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Regenepure conditioner is probably one of the most sought-after hair care solutions for those battling thinning hair or hair loss. And today we're diving deep into whether this popular product lives up to the hype, examining its unique blend of ingredients designed to promote a healthier scalp environment and encourage thicker, fuller-looking hair. So if you're on the fence about trying it or just curious about its effectiveness, stick around as we break down everything you need to know. Number 5. Olaplex N².5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing the Olaplex N².5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and shield your hair from future breakage. Tired of frizz? This powerful conditioner works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smoother and more manageable. Whether you have coily, curly, straight, or wavy hair, this formula is perfect for you. It provides the nourishment your unique texture needs. Experience stronger, healthier-looking hair with every use. It actively works to strengthen your strands from within. Discover the transformative power of Olaplex. It's more than just a conditioner, it's a commitment to hair health and resilience. What we like? This conditioner is designed to repair existing damage and prevent future breakage. It also works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smoother. If you have damaged or frizzy hair, this is a great option for you. What people say. My hair is now sofftttt, not frizzy even when it is humid out. This is all in just 3 days. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft, hydrated, and easy to manage. After a few weeks of use, I noticed less frizz and my hair looked healthier and shinier overall. The Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner leaves my hair feeling soft, strong, and deeply nourished after every wash. It repairs damage, reduces frizz, and makes my hair look healthier and shinier without weighing it down. Number 4. Shapiro MD Hair Loss Conditioner. Discover the advanced hair loss conditioner developed by dermatologists. It's designed to combat thinning hair and promote healthier growth. Our powerful vegan formula actively fights DHT, a common cause of hair loss. Experience a noticeable difference in your hair's thickness. Specifically created for those experiencing thinning hair. This conditioner works to revitalize your scalp and strands. Achieve the look of healthier, fuller, and thicker hair. You'll love how your hair feels and appears after just 1 month. Each bottle provides a full month's supply of this transformative treatment. Start your journey to better hair today. What we like? This formula is specifically developed to combat DHT, a common cause of hair thinning. Its vegan ingredients are gentle yet effective. If you are experiencing thinning hair and are looking for a dermatologist-developed, vegan solution, this is the one to consider. What people say. It makes your hair feeling very nice and help it grows. The only conditioner, together with the shampoo, that has reduced my hair loss. Prevents hair thinning. Number 3. Renpure Biotin and Collagen Thickening Conditioner. Discover the secret to visibly fuller hair. Our Biotin and Collagen Thickening Conditioner is designed to give your locks the volume they deserve. Infused with biotin and collagen, this formula nourishes each strand from root to tip. Experience stronger, more resilient hair with every wash. Enjoy a luxurious lather that gently cleanses without stripping essential moisture. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care routine. Whether your hair is fine, thinning, or just needs a boost, this conditioner is for you. Achieve a thicker appearance and improved manageability. See and feel the difference as your hair becomes fuller and more voluminous. Embrace the confidence that comes with healthier-looking hair. What we like? Infused with biotin and collagen, this conditioner aims to give your hair a thicker appearance. It works to plump up the hair strands. If you desire fuller-looking hair and want to add volume, this product is a good choice. What people say. It has helped strengthen my hair over time. This conditioner and the shampoo work to help it feel thicker. My hair was full and actually held the curl longer than my other products. It doesn't have the bad stuff, so I'm just going to continue to use this. Loved the fullness of my hair. Number 2. Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System 2 Conditioner. Discover the Nioxin Scalp Plus Hair Thickening System 2 Conditioner. It's designed for natural or untreated hair experiencing progressed thinning. This conditioner is specifically formulated to address progressed thinning. It helps to thicken your hair and improve its overall appearance. Enriched with key ingredients like niacinamide and biotin, it nourishes your scalp and hair. These ingredients work together to promote a healthier hair environment. Experience a noticeable difference in hair thickness and fullness. It leaves your hair feeling revitalized and looking denser. This conditioner comes in a convenient 16.9 fluid ounces size. It provides ample product for regular use to achieve your hair goals. What we like. This system is formulated to thicken both your scalp and hair, targeting progressed thinning. It contains key ingredients like niacinamide and biotin to support hair health. If you have natural or untreated hair that is experiencing significant thinning, this conditioner is designed to help. What people say. This conditioner is great for thinning hair and helps to make hair look thicker. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable, and it doesn't weigh it down. The conditioner has a pleasant scent and lathers well. Number 1. Nutrafol Conditioner for Thinning Hair. Discover the revolutionary conditioner designed for thinning hair. It's formulated by physicians to bring you the best in hair care. Experience deep moisturization that strengthens your strands from root to tip. Say goodbye to weak, brittle hair and hello to resilience. Our advanced formula is completely color-safe, protecting your vibrant hues. Enjoy beautiful color without compromise. Its lightweight texture provides protection without weighing your hair down. Feel the difference of gentle, effective care. Trust in a product developed with physician expertise. It's crafted to address thinning hair with scientifically proven ingredients. Transform your hair with this powerful yet gentle conditioner. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for healthier, fuller-looking locks. What we like. This conditioner is physician-formulated to provide moisturizing and strengthening benefits for thinning hair. It offers lightweight protection without compromising color vibrancy. If you have thinning hair, want added moisture and strength, and need a color-safe option, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It has a good lather and rinses clean. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. It has a pleasant scent that isn't overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.